request everyone to rise up.
Patriotic morning to our distinguished guests, respected principal, esteemed teachers, and my beloved students. It's my immense pleasure and privilege to welcome you all to the celebration of the 80th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. Today is a day of immense pride, gratitude, and reflection as we come together to honor the spirit of freedom and sacrifices of those who made our independence possible. On this auspicious occasion, we are truly honored to have with us our esteemed chief guest. On behalf of the entire school fraternity, I extend a very warm and heartfelt welcome to you, sir. Your gracious presence has added great significance and joy to this special celebration. We are deeply grateful that you have taken the time to join us and share this proud occasion with our students and staff. Today, as we celebrate 80 years of independent India, let us remember the courage and sacrifices of our freedom fighters and renew our commitment to the values of unity. Chief guests, to each and every one of you, let us celebrate this day with pride in our hearts and tricolor held high. Wishing everyone a very happy 80th Independence Day.
Hello. His Eminence Governor Chief, National Chief, Tuku, and the Director of the Corporation, keyboards, names, parents, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this beautiful event of Independence Day of India. I would like to also thank especially the chairs and all the dignitaries for your presence here today, for sharing your valuable time with us today to make this event beautiful and memorable. And finally, I would like to wish all of you happy Independence Day with all any delay and possible let's get started. And I would like to also wish all the participants good luck for the program. Thank you very much.
We have now arrived at one of the most significant moments of our Independence Day celebration, it is our proud privilege to invite our esteemed chief guest to kindly come forward and grace the occasion with the flag hoisting ceremony. We request our respected chief guest to please proceed towards the flag hoisting area. The much-awaited house marching parade is about to begin. We request all the students, teachers, and spectators to maintain discipline and cheer for our young marchers. The saluting base is Red House, also known as Louis Pasteur, marching with pride, discipline, and confidence. Let us give them a big round of applause.
House, also known as Aryabhatta, marching proudly with determination and enthusiasm. Let us hear a loud cheer for them. And now, here comes the greenhouse, also known as Nelson Mandela, demonstrating discipline, unity, and true sportsmanship. A huge round of applause for our wonderful marchers. Jai Subhash! स्वतंत्रता दिवस परेड!
Said are shown in our hearts. So let us put our hands together and welcome our tiny tots from LKG and UKG as they present a beautiful Independence Day dance performance. And now, get ready to witness a display of discipline, coordination, energy. Next, our young and enthusiastic students of classes 1 and 2 are all set to demonstrate the spirit of unity, discipline, and dedication. So let us cheer for our little performers and welcome the students of classes 1 and 2 with a huge round of applause.
Yeah.
Presentation by our talented Red House. They are all set to take our journey filled with patriotism, emotion, powerful expression, and energetic dance flow.
Traditions, and colors. Yet despite our differences, we stand together as one nation. This beautiful spirit is what we call unity in diversity. Today, we, the girls in the blue, or you can call us girls from the Mother Teresa house, are going to celebrate this unity through dance, bringing together the rich traditions of Kashmir, Assam, Tamil Nadu, and Rajasthan. From the beautiful valleys of Kashmir to the vibrant culture of Assam, the graceful traditions of Tamil Nadu, and the colorful spirit of Rajasthan. Each state has its own unique identity, but together they create the beautiful picture of our India. Because different states, different cultures, different people, but one heartbeat, India. So let us enjoy this journey across 4 different states and witness how different cultures when brought together become one beautiful celebration of India. Jai Hind.
So, let us welcome the talented members of Yellow House with a huge round of applause as they present the Dandi March. Let us remember the courage of our freedom fighters and celebrate the spirit of free India. As proud citizens of India. So, let us put our hands together and welcome the talented students of Green House with the Tiranga inspire us to stand united and make Teachers of Yellow House, please come forward.
second rank with the score of 313, which goes to Red House.